How to turn on or turn off Bixby in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on general, management. After that, scroll down and tap on customization service. In here, tap on Bixby, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Bixby, and then if you turn it on, tap on the allow button, and this will allow you to turn on Bixby in customized apps. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.